Welcome back to my shed, and today's video I'm going to upcycle this pot. This is just a cheap Ikea plant pot. I bought a cactus and needed a pot to put it in, so it had a solid base on it, and I wanted to give it a wooden touch to it. So this is just to hold it and will be hidden within the structure. I was looking online and I came up with these, which look quite good. They're not really, I know what the method of joining is called, but they're all cut to 45-degree angle. So I think it'd be quite easy to make. Trying to work out how big to cut my ones to, but using as a calculator I found online, I've put some measurements in, and because it's a turning for turners, I'm trying to work it out where they're talking about the inner curve, I'm on about the outer curve, the full shape. But I think I've worked it out. This is 10.5 centimeters wide, so I will need to make sure it fits over it. And we'll take it from there. Earlier I was on the table saw and I ripped these down, and then we'll crack on. I have no idea how much wood I'm going to need, so without a doubt I'm sure I haven't got enough here, but we will find out. Shall we just get started? Thank you for watching the video this far through so far. Just jumping in to say thank you for watching, and if you could subscribe to the channel, that'd be great. That would really help me out. Looking through the statistics of my videos, that most of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you really could help me out and help me grow my following, and let's get back to the video. So this quick dry polythene varnish and clear gloss, I thought we'd give this a shot. Nice and milky. Oh, look how nice that looks. Thank you for watching through to the end. I hope you liked this quick video of just using scrapwood and for upcycling a Ikea plant pot. I think overall it came out really well. Here's the cactus in it. I had a few issues when gluing each ring together, but after clamping them and then a quick sand with a bit of glue, it kind of filled in any gaps, which helped out quite a lot. Overall, it's quite good. I think the pot is slightly higher still. I did off camera sand the bottom slightly just to try and bring it down a bit, but it still didn't work. But I didn't have any more wood, so I couldn't cut any more. But I think going forward it's okay, and also if you push down on it slightly, you can make it so the pot slightly raised, so it kind of hides the pot anyway. But overall, I think the outcome looks good. I like how I've changed the rotation of the rings, so the end grains at different points. And with there being 3 different species of wood in there as well, it mixed some things up. But yeah, overall, I really liked it. This is the first time I'd used using this quick dry polythene varnish from Rustins, and yeah, happy with the outcome. I will definitely be using it again in a future project. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. This was just me messing around a bit. Obviously, I found those 2 pictures online, and then wanted to try and do my own version of them and spin on them. One of them did put a line halfway down each one, which I did quite like the look of the effect. But due to how I got different size woods in here, I think it looked good on some rings, but not on all of them. So I scrapped that idea. But overall, I think it came out pretty well. And I'll be making some more of these in the future at some point. I will see you on the next video. And if you enjoyed this video, then I've queued up a video right here that I think you will enjoy too. And the subscribe button is over there. If you would like to help the channel out and subscribe to see what else I've got coming up. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.